We've got a client with a great big smile on her face.
Have you ever seen anything like that? So here we are in sunny Byberry.
The largest bonded resin block that's ever been made.
Ed getting his photograph taken.
If anybody wants me, I'll be in a small pool of organic matter in the corner. Hi everyone, it's Tuesday at Suarez HQ. Now, the surroundings might look a little bit different today. That's because I'm working from home, and very shortly Aida's going to come and join me in my home office because it's about 60 degrees centigrade in the studio. I'm not kidding you. I popped in yesterday. You know, I love the heat, but that was just oppressive. We're in a big heat wave at the moment here in the UK. And it was just like hell on earth. I imagine that's like being in Death Valley at midday with a coat on. It was just too much. So we're going to work from home today. We've got to pop in a little bit later to pick some paintings up because we're taking them out to a client. Hopefully, the client's going to buy one. It's 2 commission pieces. So we have got to pop in. But for now, we're going to do some work from home. I've been doing all kinds of things this morning. So we're just going to now capture some of that, talk you through it. It's a little bit of a change to what we'd normally do, but when needs must, this is the kind of thing you have to get on with. So that's what we're going to get on with now. Let's see how we get on. So let me walk you through what I've been doing this morning. So we're doing the second part of one of the videos, which is coming out probably in the next couple of days. So I've been busy writing content for it. There we go. And doing the thumbnail for it. And that's what I've been engaged in. Let's get Photoshop open and I'll show you what I've been doing. And over here, been just posting out to social media, including Pinterest. Now there's a new thing on Pinterest called Ideas Pins. So I've been getting some of those done. And then when Adi gets here, I'm going to show him what I've been doing so he can carry on with that. But yeah, over in Photoshop, I've just been working on the thumbnail. I don't know whether this is it or not. Oh no, that's something for something else. Look, there you go. I'm busy doing some image prep to again go out on social media, and I want to do some updates for the website as well. But I was just trying to show you whether I could find, yes, I think this is it. There we go. So I'm working on a thumbnail for the next video that's coming out, which is the world's largest piece of dimension bonded resin that's ever been produced. I kid you not. Look at that. We are literally pushing all the boundaries at the moment, so that's really cool. We'll pop a link to that down in the description in case you've not seen it. So I'm jumping from social media to thumbnails and videos to image prep for the site and all manner of things in between. What am I also doing? Checking on patrons, checking on the health of the website. There we go. Plus a manner of other things. Oh, and tracking parcels that don't seem to have appeared. So it's all systems go here at the moment. But anyway, that's the kind of thing we're doing at the moment. There we are. So we're going to press on with that this afternoon. We're doing some video editing. Also going to be doing a little post on Facebook because Facebook are messing us around at the moment. That could be quite interesting. Let's put that out in the public domain. Plus a host of other things. Wow. There's never any time to breathe, really, is there? Right, guys, so let me just fill in on what we've been doing. So I've been editing a video. Now, this is one of the live stream videos that we did a little while ago of a painting. So as I alluded to earlier, busy splicing and cutting. There you can see one of the overhead cameras and paint going on. So we're going to cut this down from 66 minutes to about 9 or 10 minutes. And then we'll be able to pop that out on the channel at some point. So that's what we've been doing for the last couple of hours. But now it's time to go into our very hot studio, grab 2 paintings and go see a client. Right, just arrived at the gallery. Shall we see how hot it is in the shade? Oh my God. In the shade, 43.2 degrees. It's actually not 3:51. Forget the time on there. Wowzers, it's like nearly 5 o'clock. Oh, out in the sun, very warm. Right, we're now going to get these 2 into the van and then we're off to see the client. Right guys, so I am now walking back home and it's still 31 degrees. which is pretty nice. I think you'll agree that those two paintings look absolutely stunning. So very, very happy. The client's been amazing. She's ecstatic with them, which is brilliant, which is what this is all about. So I call that a job well done, considering we haven't been able to go into the gallery today, certainly to do any work, because it's just too hot. But what a great way to end the day. I mean, absolutely brilliant. Sun setting, it's nice and warm. But more importantly, we've got a client with a great big smile on her face. And to be able to do that, worth its weight in gold. So I'm definitely calling that a win. If you're new here and like what we do, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
Right, so they turn that one on. No, it's come back to life.
Wow.
Can you believe that?
No, I can't believe that.
Well, I've no idea. Maybe it's the heat. I don't know.
How very bizarre. Just turn it off and on again. Right. There's a reason why we're just showing you a close-up of the camera, because it just had a complete and utter fit. Yes,
Oh,
look, that's it. What is that?
Why? Hit record.
Yeah, will it record like that?
No. Oh.
No. Oh.
Right,
Yeah, switch it off, switch it off. Have you ever seen anything like that?
No.
Wow. Okay, well that's an interesting start to the day.
Yeah.
Right, okay, we made it into the building, fantastic. It only took an hour to get here today. Why? Road closures. Road closed, no diversions. And we know the area pretty well, and it's still taken an hour to get here. It is live stream day, but our day starts with a road trip to Milton Keynes to take the resin block, which you might have seen in the last video, out to the company that's going to be machining it. Again, like we said all along, can't tell you the reasons why, but this will be the story of taking it there to a fantastic, amazing, brilliant tech company. So that should make for some good viewing. Look at that. See the time? It's already 37 degrees in the shade. So I dread to think that by the time the midday sun comes out, that's going to be over, we know that's going to be over 50. Oh boy, it's hot, man. It's hot. Right, so this is the block. Like I say, if you've seen this on the last video, you'll have seen us casting this.
It's heavy.
Yeah, 15 kilos that weighs. So we'll get some wrap in the bottom of the box.
Like that. And tuck that side. Ta-da.
Magic.
There it is. There's our kingfisher.
Awesome. Well, I think,
Fantastic.
guys, we're probably going to have to stop there on the way back and have a proper look at it.
Yeah,
Definitely.
absolutely.
Awesome.
It's brilliant.
Right. Can you hear me? We just arrived. All right, let's get the block out. Go and find somebody. It's a little bit bigger than the other one.
Right, okay.
We haven't
Wow.
seen it, have we?
Here we go.
Look at that. So, guys, you may have seen in a previous video, this whole block, which is one single piece, is, to the best of our knowledge, the largest bonded resin block that's ever been made. And that's from a company who've done this for 40 years globally. We've never made one this big, and it's done specifically for us. This is the first time we've seen it cut into 8 pieces.
What does it weigh? What does it feel like? What does it feel like?
Heavy, mate. And there's 8 of those, but obviously we can't tell you why. But yeah, so this is the first time that's ever been done. They look unbelievable. Look at the rainbow colours, phenomenal. And there you can see how we've done something completely different with the block we've just brought in as well. So this project is, we're just coming at it from all different kinds of angles to make this thing as unique as possible. And then making it more unique, and then going one stage further still. So definitely do tune in to all the rest of the videos, because eventually you're going to find out what this is all about. So here we are in sunny Byberry. We've come to look at our kingfisher, which is on the entrance to the farm. World-renowned trout fishery. Extends all the way through Byberry.
Beautiful place.
Phenomenal place.
You ever get the chance? Come to
Yes,
Avery?
yeah, do come here. Not just because the kingfisher's awesome, which of course it is. But yes, we come to check on it. Everything looking pretty good. Loving that. That is awesome.
Ed getting his photograph taken next to Metamorphosis.
treat. We even get fed here as well.
Look at this. Very nice.
Of course, a trip to the trout farm wouldn't be complete without the fridge magnet. Bingo.
And back to HQ, ready to do the live stream. But what time are we at? 5 o'clock?
Just gone 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, so we've got 2.5 hours in the roasting pit of
Down.
before we do live stream. So we're going to see what we can do about trying to cool it down a little bit, or making provisions to cool down so that when we're doing this live stream we're literally not being boiled alive.
I'm going to race through into the back.
Oh, no racing.
Oh, mate, that is like just a wave of heat. Just smacked me in the face. This is the one though, isn't it? Opening this door.
Oh, this is the cool part. This is now we're going to get into the hot part.
So we've come out of the nuclear reactor and into the furnace.
This is the meltdown.
Oh my god.
Oh, my God.
43 in the shade.
Anybody got some branches I can smack myself with?
Well, I can do that, mate.
43 degrees.
43 in the shade, yes. Okay, right. Well, if anybody wants me, I'll be in a small pool of organic matter in the corner.
Right, 20 minutes before live stream. Must admit, I'm not feeling too great. It's ridiculously hot and humid. I'm going to sit in a tiny little cubicle, my little area, and sweat for an hour. It's about to start doing a base coat. We fight on. Don't feel sorry for me. Just subscribe. That's all I have. Give us a subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. You know, that's the way you can help us. Help us grow. Help us get more content out there. I'll shut up now. Okay, that is the end of the live stream. Wrapped up the pod. Get it all sealed up. Close all the windows here. I think Ed's done the windows in the back. So we are going to just get out of here because it's still too hot. It's still 35 degrees where I was. It's probably still 35 degrees in the back. A little bit dehydrated, so Ed's going to have some water and then we're going to head home.